Hi, I'm Maryjo with Fourth Dimension Healing in Stillwater, Minnesota, and I'm also the director of the Center for Crystal and Healing Studies, which is my online school. Today I want to talk with you about a stone that can be very, very effective in helping us to maintain strong energetics when it comes to our own energy field. And this is important, when we think about the challenges that are going on within our world today. It's very easy for us to lose our center. It could be that we find ourselves not being able to concentrate, we lose things a lot, we forget what we were doing, we are influenced perhaps more than we would wish to be with other people's opinions or some of the other events happening within our world, and it causes us to lose our ability to remain centered and in a place where we can offer loving kindness and compassion and well wishes to others. So Bloodstone is this unique stone that I want to talk with you about today. And I'm going to show you a couple examples that I work with here in my healing practice. And I also think that what I'm going to show you is a good representation of some of what I have available through my online shop. So here is a beautiful tumbled piece of bloodstone. Bloodstone is a form of quartz. It is a cryptocrystalline quartz, which means at a microscopic level we'll find those same hexagonal structures, that six-sided structure that we would see very visibly in a clear quartz point. Here's an example of a piece of clear quartz point where we get very naturally occurring facets. With the cryptocrystalline quartzes, and jaspers are that form of quartz, we're going to have much more of an opaqueness to the stone, and so we won't see those six-sided points visibly. Earth element, deeply grounding. My experience with the earth element is that we have two energies that we connect with the earth. One is this deep kind of blood red kind of vital energy, and the other is this green nurturing energy. And I always think of as if this beautiful protective green moss could surround us and help us remain stable and balanced. That's what I think of when I'm thinking about that green energy of the earth. And so bloodstone is a really wonderful stone that represents that. Now you'll hear the word blood in the gemstone bloodstone, and that's because sometimes you will find deep red specks within this particular stone, and that comes from the hematite that is embedded within this particular gemstone. So keep that in mind, that sometimes it'll be solid green and sometimes you'll see it much more mottled or speckled with the red bits. I wanted to show you another example of one that I work with here in my practice. These are wonderful to be placed on or around the body. They make beautiful stones to work with if you're creating crystal grids, especially again these days, lots of challenging action going on and events within our world that can be quite unsettling. Perhaps if you work with crystal grids, you want to be very mindful and work with this bloodstone to be able to bring in this stabilizing and strong protective energy. Now, when I say protective energy, what I'm talking about is a way to strengthen our energy field, the edges of our energy field. So we, in a sense, create strong boundaries. We do not pick up everybody else's stuff. We do not overshare our own stuff. We maintain more appropriate boundaries, both physically, emotionally, mentally, and also when it comes to interpersonal relationships, whether they're friends and family or the global community. So that's what I'm talking about when I'm talking about a protection stone. And I want to really point that out, that whenever you see a stone that has protective qualities or offers protection, what that means is it's strengthening your energy field. It's helping you learn how to be very grounded and connected with your own beingness, which is physical and non-physical. So keep in mind that when you are wanting to connect with a deep earth stone that brings in profound nurturing and offers you a way to strengthen your energy field, Bloodstone is really amazing. You can visit my online shop and you can take a look and learn a bit more about the Bloodstone. It really does work beautifully in that root chakra, and also because of its green tone is going to be able to draw those energies up into that heart space as well. So take a look at my shop. You can go ahead and reach out to me if you have questions. You can send me a chat through my website. You can send me an email. I'm more than happy to answer your questions. For now, I simply wish you many blessings. Be well.